Hey guys, it is the last day of sick week, and we have luckily a late start. We don't have to get started until 2 o'clock. So right now though, I'm going to be doing the final cutting on this door. This door is coming off. We're replacing it with this one on the floor, and we're going to be cutting up the back of the hatch, you know, getting a little bit more metal out of it, and then remove a few more things. And then we're ready to race today. That's how it's done. Okay guys, it took forever to get this thing done today. We got all the doors gutted. Chris with Prime brought us a new door that we had ordered, and I literally shake can spray painted it so it didn't look terrible. We got everything taped up, we got everything cut up. We got Lexan windows except the windshield. The top is still glass. Unfortunately, we couldn't get that swapped, but everything else is completely gutted from this car. And the crazy part is they just finally called us up. It started at 2 o'clock. It's like 6, 7 o'clock now, and we're finally first up. So it actually worked out really great, but we got to get next door and do that. Luckily, James is letting us top off at his house. Rewired his welding plug. Thanks, James. And we're going to be tippity top, minus a little bit when we have to put it into drag mode. And let me remind you guys, this car is the car that did go underwater. This car is giving us a lot of fit. It's very inconsistent. We do not have launch mode. We do have drag mode, so that's nice. So it does expel the energy as fast as possible. But the suspension has been our biggest battle. We rock back a lot. It's very, very loose, and we feel like we're losing like tenths of a second with the suspension. Besides that, we can do cool burnouts, but we're not really needing them. We're seeing that the traction with the tire setup that we have, we really don't need to do burnouts. So what we're going to try today is do one without a burnout and see if, you know, instead of using the energy for the burnout, maybe we can save that tippity top energy for the max run. Other than that, trying to make that world record run tonight. So we're going to the track. Let's get out of here. All right, here we go. Finally in drag mode, 97%. Woo! We need this one, huh? The best part about drag racing is like just the build up. It's just a 1 second, you know what I mean? Golly. Let's go! Woo! Yes! The launch is pretty good. .9145. Wow. Okay. Getting there. Oh man, I wanted to 9.0. Okay. See if we can get weighed real quick.
4480.
4480. Thank you.
No problem.
4480. What? Oh man, that's crazy. I don't know, man. This car might just be capable of only running 9.0. I don't know. I didn't do a burnout. Didn't really need it. We get down here and again. He was hauling, dude. He had been running 150, 160 right by then, still.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Driver is conscious and okay. Together, driver is conscious.
Guys, the last and final run. This run I'm gonna try to do a burnout. I was gonna have Sam go, he's a lot lighter, but it's just too rowdy of a thing to do, I think, for him to do his first time. So here we go.
If there was a button I could press.
Yeah, it won't move though.
Has it even got a neutral gear?
I had to reset it, but it might. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, I can't move.
We're gonna hook a strap to you and pull you out of here.
You're gonna need a tow hook.
This thing's slick underneath. There's nothing there. It's got a whole body pan. There's nothing to hook to.
I'll try to put it in tow mode. All right, I think I got it neutral. It's in neutral. Tell them they can push me. I think I can drive it now.
Can you steer it?
Hold on, wait.
He said it's ready to start now.
Wait. It's ready to go.
All right.
Can I run it?
You want to back it up or take it down?
No, we're done. He's gonna back up.
Yep.
Let me run it. It's a world record run.
Boss man said we're done.
It's a world record run. Let me go.
Let him run. Come on.
Hey, come on.
Let him run.
They said we're done. That's it. Back it up. It's on them. They just said we're done.
All right. Hey, in drag racing, it's never exactly what you want. It seems like I haven't had it go into like lockout mode like it just did since, gosh, over the summer. And I think what happens is if it gets really rowdy on a burnout, on a takeoff, that's when it gets triggered, and then it says pull over, it locks the car out, and it just would not respond. It wouldn't reset on the line. I couldn't get it done in time. To all the guys that were behind me trying to get some runs in and we were squeezing them in, I am so sorry, dude. Like, it's just an unfortunate thing. I can't, you know, we can't predict it that it'll do that, and it just did. So now, I don't know, man. It's like it's kind of a tough pill to swallow. We cut out so much weight. We had it was usually like almost a 4,900 pound car, and we got it down to about 4,100 pounds, and it just wasn't even close when I ran it the first time tonight, the only time tonight, and I thought maybe it was just a traction issue, and that's why we ran it again. And not had Sam, we didn't have Sam do it because the burnout is so rowdy with this thing. I'd like to have him practice it a couple times on the street before he did it in front of everybody, you know, at an event. We were thinking we would just have him just roll and go, but I think that's where we're missing it in the 60 foot and getting a little slippage. So at this point, it's back to the drawing board. I think what we have to do is just play by Tesla's rules and get this thing reset because although it does cool burnouts, we're missing out on a lot of other features, and the launch mode it seems to be critical, especially when a car that's fully decked out can run a 9.2, 9.3, and I'm running a 9.1. So at this point, we're gonna go have a few drinks at the Freedom Factory. Maybe I can get Garrett to let me burn off a little steam, burn off a little bit of tires over there. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know. I'm a little frustrated. So thanks guys for hanging in there with us this week. We really wish we had a nice finale for you. You know, I promise you though, this is not the end of the car. I have a lot of plans for it. I promise you it'll be a lot of fun to watch. So stay tuned until next time. And that's just another day chilling with Chet. All right, guys, ready to go again. I'm not gonna do anything crazy until I just roll up and punch it. I'm not gonna try to do a burnout. I'm not gonna do any of that stuff. I'm just gonna try to get a nice hot run down and see if it'll go into its weird mode again. I just really hope it doesn't go into pull over while I'm actually down the track. That's not fun. I have to come to a complete stop, and then I have to try to reset the car, and that's gonna piss everybody off again. That was a full run. Woo! Come on, baby. Put it in the hole. Thank you. All right. Without further ado, right lane, 913. Dang it, guys. I gotta make some calls.